Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install Saxo app in your mobile device. So let's get started. For this, you need to open your Play Store and then search for the keyword Saxo in the search bar of Google. As you can see, there is a app SaxoTraderGo in the search result. Simply click on it and then you can click on the install button. As you can see, the app is getting installed in my device. Just have patience, it needs some time. The app has been installed in my device. The installation process is complete. Let's check it out the app in the app section. And there it is. The app is installed and the task is complete. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.